Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by making sure your iPhone is paired and nearby. Bluetooth must be active so data syncs. Once done, make sure the Apple Watch has adequate battery or is on its charger to prevent resets during changes. Now open Settings on the watch, or open the Watch app on your iPhone if you prefer a larger screen. You'll use the Watch app for convenience, but direct watch control is fine. The next step shows where to find time and date controls. You tap General, then Date and Time to view current settings. On the iPhone Watch app, it's under My Watch, General, Date and Time. If you want automatic time zone updates, keep Set Automatically enabled. You'll avoid manual errors. To force a manual change, toggle Set Automatically off, then adjust the time zone or set the time directly by tapping the time fields. Make sure to double-check AM/PM where applicable, because incorrect entry. You finish by confirming the watch face and calendar events reflect the new time and date. If they match, you're done. If the watch still shows incorrect time, restart it by pressing and holding the side button until you see power off, then power back on to force a sync. If problems persist, unpair and repair the watch from the Watch app. That rebuilds the connection and often fixes time zone or sync conflicts without data loss when you restore from the backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.